Today, we are going to show physical therapists and occupational therapists how to do core strengthening exercises no matter what level your patient is at. You can do it unsupported sitting, you can do it in standing, you can even do core exercises with a walker, holding onto a bar, whatever level your patient is at. So we are going to show you some exercises using the walker, and I'm going to tell you different ways you can cue it and how to show your skill in your documentation. Okay, so the first exercise we are going to do is a side bend. So Nicole has a light weight and she is bending from her waist and using her muscles. So I would cue her as the physical or occupational therapist to just bend from the waist. Make sure she's not like bending her whole body or just like leaning over like crazy, just bending from the waist. I could give her a tactile cue to use her obliques. I could give her some more manual cues to keep her chest up, maybe a visual cue. I can have a visual cue on the wall to tell her to keep her eye gaze so she's not looking down and compensating. And you can do this with all different kinds of weights, but if they are using their abdominal muscles, their obliques, they should feel this no matter what. Good job. Okay, for our next core exercise, we are going to do cross punches. So again, Nicole has the weight and she is going to punch and cross her body. So this really uses some trunk rotation as well as her core muscles. And to progress this, you can have her do the full turn like she is. She could also go straight ahead, not rotate as much. You can really work with how much she is rotating. You can use a different weight or even no weight as long as she's using those core muscles. This helps with so many different functional activities. We need this for ADLs, for dressing. We even need the core rotation for walking. So we love this exercise. And we could progress it also by having her move her foot like she is to really rotate all the way from the core, all the way down her body. Do more in standing. You can increase the speed if you want it for more endurance. Good job. You could cue her to breathe like she was just doing. Keep her core tight. Keep her back straight. Squeeze her glutes. Okay. And for the last exercise, we are going to do PNF. So Nicole again has the weight, and she is going to go in a diagonal direction from her hip and all the way up. And like most of us has learned, at least I did, it's like taking the sword out. And I always tell my patients that's like putting the sword in your pocket and I'm pulling it out. It's exactly the motion you want, and that is a great verbal cue to give. We can also help her manually from the shoulder just to make sure her arm is rotating correctly. Just kind of like rotate her in and rotate her out. You could also do this with a TheraBand, a weight, no weight, even a ball. Make sure she's rotating from the waist, keeping her back straight, and just cue whatever cues you are giving. That shows your skill, and that should be in your documentation. All right, thank you very much. I hope this helps. Make sure to subscribe and follow us for more activities for physical therapists and occupational therapists. Thank you.